Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Okay, let's come to the work. And yesterday I have given you to solve page number 16 and 17. That was all about MCQs. Let's solve it out first and then we will move forward. Okay, circle the correct option. Past means time that had gone, now or coming time. That is yes, time that had gone. Okay, next continuous mean has gone, going on, unclear. Continuous is basic or its origin word is continue. So continuous means going on. Tense means yesterday, time period, tomorrow. Yes, it is time period. Next is how many helping verbs how many helping verbs of past continuous tense? 4, 2, 3. These are 3. You have to check your worksheet with me. Okay, the next is what are the helping verbs of this tense? Has had or had has, was were, will shall. Yes, it is was and were. Next is we use with plural subject dash in this tense. Was, were or are. With plural subjects we use were with it. We use helping verb with singular subject in this tenses. Was, were, is. Yes, it is was. Which form of verb we use in this tense? Past form, present participle. Yes, it is present participle. Number 9, subject plus helping verb plus was, were plus present participle plus object. Sentence structure of dash sentences. Subject plus helping verb plus present participle plus object. This is negative, affirmative or interrogative. Yes, it is affirmative. In interrogative sentences we put dash at the end of the sentences, an exclamation mark, a full stop or a question mark. Yes, it is a question mark. Okay, with it we have completed our past continuous tense, and now today our new work is we will do it on page number 18. That is application. Write an application for full fee concession. That is headmaster, the headmaster, Government High School, City ABC. Respected sir, most respectfully I beg to say that I belong to a poor family and my father has to support us, so he cannot pay my school fee. I am a good student and keen to study. I request you to grant me full fee concession. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently, XYZ. You have to practice this worksheet on page number 19. Practice this application on page number 19, and you also have to complete it fast. And here we have some more applications, so you have to complete all. I hope we all have done all the applications, and with it we will move forward with the new work on the next day. So till that, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.